we are going to integrate payment into it. And the purpose for the payment is to allow a user to subscribe to a plan. And this plan is one-time payment. So let's look at the logic. First of all, let's say that these are our plans on the page. We're going to have two plans. One is free plan and other is premium. For the free, it is $0, and premium, it can be $20 or $50, and that is one-time payment. So over here, it means that we are going to create what is called the plan model. The purpose for the plan model is that we can determine the price and some details about the plan. And also, we can get the ID of the plan when we are making the payment to Stripe. So here, let's say that these are our plans. When the user click on a plan, for example, the premium one, it's going to open the details about the plan. And over here, we will know the price and also the features about this plan. And from there, we're going to have a button called Pay or Subscribe. So upon clicking on that button, we are going to open a form, and that is using Stripe. And the user will enter his or her credit card. Then after clicking on Pay, we are going to get what is called the payment ID. And this payment ID, we need to verify it. And we have two ways. Either to use what is called webhook from Stripe, or we can use what is called the verification API endpoint from Stripe to verify the actual payment. So over here, we will take that ID to what is called the verification endpoint from Stripe. And inside here, we are going to update the user account and also create the payment history for the user. And here, we are going to update the user account to her selected account. That's the flow that we are going to follow for the payment. Let's continue in the next video.